So this is the outcome of the hair. I'm going to turn around. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. We are doing fine. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Demi and you're welcome to Demi Beso family. For my returning viewers, thank you for supporting me like always. Thank you so much. Yeah, so in today's video I'm going to do many stuff. I'm supposed to do the intro before even doing this, but don't mind me. Yeah, I'm trying to make my hair. I'm using, I think it's brown color or wine, something like that, and I'm using this black color. I'm doing it by myself, so and later on I will go to charity house. I want to go and drop some stuff for them, which is my baby passagino, my baby carrier, right? Italy don't come out all the small English we hear, so just don't mind me. Anyhow you hear it, you can't even be learning Italy here. So I think the hair is neat, right? So I'll just try to carry gas along with me a little bit, although I don't have full hair. Yeah, I recently cut my hair short, so alright, so let's go. So I'm going to rub my echo gel just to give it, I just want you to lay it down like, I'm just trying to show you guys. So this is it. I cross like this, then I'm going to put my hand on like this, then I'll put this all together, then I'll turn it this way and we are good to go. So this is my hair. Alright, hope I pack everything sure. Okay, then I'm going to put everything on. I'm not going to make it. Man, stop that noise. So the Passaggino, which is baby pusher, is 3 in 2. So I'm going to take it out. Let me show you. This one is for car seats. This is for car seats. I was about to order for new Passaggino. Luckily, I told my friend that I want to buy Passaggino. Oh, see how this one looks like. So I told her that I want to get another Passaggino for my baby. And she was like, I get Passaggino, new one said, you don't need to go and buy Passaggino. I said, hey, okay, also, she did not give it to me. Then I was so grateful, Sha. Yeah, not Sha, I'm grateful, yeah. So I go and drop this in the charity house, Caritas, yeah. So I see you guys there. If they let me film, I'll surely ask them, Sha. If they let me film a little bit there, then I'll surely film there. I'll soon get there. From my house to there, I think it's just like three minutes. Yeah, it's not that far. So yeah, I'm at is somewhere here. So I'll see you guys there. You can take book. When you read this, then you can come back to return it back. I'm not going to show much. So here we are. Look at the passage. Let me show you guys right here. I think the thing is somehow. Alright, I'm going to chop it for them now. The outcome of the hair I made yesterday. Like, I really tried my effort to finish this hair yesterday night at 9 p.m. I started around 2 p.m. Then taking kids from school, I said to this mother that is sitting at my back, so everything I later finished around 9 p.m. yesterday. I think I used something like 4 hours to read this hair. Assuming I did not attend to anybody, I would have finished it in time. I'm coming. I will have finished the hair in time, but let me show you guys the outcome. So this is the outcome of the hair. I'm going to turn around. Can you guys see it well? So I don't know if you guys can see it well. So this is the outcome of the hair. Although it's not that full. So I didn't make the hair too full. I just tried my efforts, you know, just to get out from making this hair yesterday, because I don't want too full. I just want the instant like this way, and it really work well. So this is my front hair. I don't normally like to replete my front hair because, you know, front hair always cuts. So this is it, and I really love the outcome. My friend saw me this morning. She was like, oh, this hair is so beautiful, because she called me when I was making the hair yesterday night. She saw me making the hair and she was like, you're making hair again? I said yes, because I really don't have time to go to hairdressing or something like that, and I need to attend to baby, take the kids from school. Even weekend I don't used to get time. Like the weekend I even busy past during the day. So that's why I cannot go to hairdresser, and I really summoned my courage to make this hair yesterday, with putting my baby for back, doing stuff, attend to hobby, making food, everything. I need to finish the hair shower. I think it's okay. Alright, so I'm still going to do other stuff. I'm going to tie guys along with me, but for now, see you guys later. Bye. We are in the supermarket. I'm here with this angel. Hey. 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 So we are trying to do some shopping, Groceries at Groceries, right? So because I want to make fried rice tomorrow. Today is Friday, so tomorrow is Saturday. I want to try to make fried rice tomorrow. So we are here for some shopping. Hey. So let's see. Hey. So I will not forget to take carrots, right? Yeah, what's that? Like this market is so full today. Everywhere is so full because I'm weekend, right? So everywhere is full. Oh, what do I want to take you? I think I need to go and take care. I hope my hair is beautiful. Yes. That's the cell. Hey, let's go and take egg. Egg. Let's go and take egg. You can take 2 eggs. So the stuff we get now. I'm not going to buy much today.